In this video, I want to show you how you can use Amazon to find your next product. Amazon has got a number of very smart algorithms throughout its system, but one of them in particular helps you to find other products. And when you go onto an Amazon page for a particular product and you look further down, you'll find two sections, but I think essentially the system is working in the same way. One is frequently bought together, and the other one is customers who bought this, bought that. And that shows you what other people are buying at the same time as they are buying the product you're looking at. If you've already got a product established, Amazon is pretty well telling you the sorts of other products that you can sell alongside that. So that gives you an immediate shortlist to go ahead and go and start investigating where you can source products similar to those shown by Amazon on the page. If you're looking for your first product and you've got some idea of what niche you want to be in, that by looking at these options, you can actually then start to get inspiration for new product ideas. Now, I want to show you how simple this is. So I'm going to take you into Amazon.com and just give you a quick example of exactly what I'm talking about. Now, as you can all appreciate, I'm obviously a mad keen yoga person. Well, actually, no, I'm not really. But I thought we'd start with this yoga balance from Go Yoga all-purpose half-inch extra thick high-density anti-tear exercise yoga mat with carrying strap. There's a keyword-filled title if ever I saw one. So let's imagine I'm in the yoga market and I've got a yoga mat that I'm selling, and I want to think, what else can I sell? So if I go down, and I'm going to bring them both into view, then you can see immediately there's a frequently bought together, and there's this 8-foot yoga strap, quote, made with the best durable cotton, comes with our special Namaste lifetime, presumably guarantee. Okay, so people who are buying yoga mats are buying yoga straps. So that's immediately a product that you can think about selling, and all you have to do is click on the link to go and find out more about it. Below that, you've got customers who bought this item also bought, and we can see we've got yoga blocks. The strap is there. There's another mat. There's a whole series of resistance band products. Another stretch out strap, an AB wheel. I guess that's an abs wheel. I'm not sure. A yoga towel, another towel, some sort of workout bar. So I'm not very familiar with this market, as you can tell. Some dumbbells. Now, you have to go back and apply your knowledge and your checklist about the characteristics of products that you think are sensible to be selling. So I probably stay away from the dumbbells and anything really heavy, but I quite like the idea of the resistance products, and I certainly like the idea of the strap. Now, I would never have thought of that because I don't know anything about yoga. You've got another section below this where you've got sponsored items, but as you can see, they're basically all different types of mats, so I would give that a miss and just focus on these two. And don't forget that, you know, it goes beyond the first page. You've got page 2 of 8 here, and there are plenty of other options which you can take a look at. So by just looking and using the information that Amazon is providing you with on these pages, you can find further inspiration either for your original product or for an additional product to the product that you're already selling. So as you can see, it's not difficult to use Amazon to provide you with more ideas and more inspiration about what you might be selling on the Amazon platform. So that's it, how to use Amazon to find your next product, or indeed your first product. I hope you found that helpful.